welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today we're going to do the sailor step. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. Weight is on your left. You're going to take that right foot behind, take the weight. Step left to the side, take the weight. Right, take the weight. Let's do that by the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. So let's go ahead and do the other side. Weight is on your right. You're going to step left behind, take the weight. Step right to the side, take the weight. Left, take the weight. Let's go ahead and do that by the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. One more time. Weight is on your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next basic step. If you have not done so, please click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell. See you next time.